In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to auto-create Zoom or Google Meet links directly from forms, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're setting up meetings for a team or clients, this is a super efficient way to streamline your process. Now, if you've been manually creating Zoom or Google Meet links each time someone fills out a form, you know it can get time-consuming, but what if I told you there's a way to automate that? I've tested several popular options, and today I'll walk you through one that actually works, fast and easy. Stick around till the end, and I'll share a special free trial link for the software we'll use today, exclusive to viewers of my channel. Let's jump right in. First, head to the software we'll be using. If you haven't set it up yet, check the link in the description below for the exclusive free trial. Once you're logged in, you'll need to connect your calendar, whether it's Zoom or Google Meet, with the platform. This is the magic that lets you auto-create those meeting links. Next, create or open the form you want to use. This could be a Google form or a custom form you've built in another platform. In the form, add a section where you'll input participant details, name, email, etc. Now, here's the trick. You want to make sure the software is linked with your form so it can generate a meeting link as soon as the form is submitted. Now we're going to configure the form to trigger a Zoom or Google Meet link creation automatically. Head over to the settings in your form platform. Under the automation settings, you'll add an action that says Create Zoom or Google Meet link. Depending on which one you're using, select the option for your preferred meeting tool and link it to the calendar or account you connected earlier. Once that's set, test the form by filling it out with your own details. You should immediately see an auto-generated Zoom or Google Meet link appear. It's that simple. So, the key takeaway from this video, automating your Zoom or Google Meet link creation directly from forms isn't just possible, it's easy and it saves you time. You can stop manually setting up meeting links for every form submission and instead let the software handle it. To recap, connect your Zoom or Google Meet account to your software, configure the form for auto-link creation, and watch as the magic happens with every form submission. And don't forget, if you want to follow along, check the description below for your exclusive free trial to the software we use today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.